Are you holding on to fashion pieces that are more flashback than fashion forward? It's time to open your closet doors and say goodbye to those outdated things. Today, I'm not just revealing the 7 fashion no-goes of the past, but we are also taking a frolic styling journey with a real-life client. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Giedre and I work as a personal stylist, and on this channel I share practical information usually backed up with real-life examples on how to dress your body shape, how to reinvent your style and your wardrobe in an easy way. From time to time, I also do live broadcasts from the shops or studios, so if you are new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on my live events or valuable content that I post. So in today's episode, we are diving deep into the topic of looking classy by ditching clothing pieces that should be left behind. However, I do believe that almost any clothing piece might be styled in a classy way. So today I'll give you some guidance in case your personal preference is to keep those pieces, but make them look classy and fresh. And remember, fashion is all about reinvention, so don't you be afraid to mix, match, and experiment with what you already have. It's your style and your rules. So without any further ado, let's just start with the style number 1. Skinny jeans. Skinny jeans have been our go-to for years, but as fashion evolves, so does our taste in denim, hopefully. These tight-fitting jeans have been replaced by more relaxed and comfortable styles for good. The shift is towards a silhouette that's not only trendy, but also more flattering and versatile. Instead of skinny jeans, consider embracing styles like straight leg, wide leg, or mom jeans. These alternatives offer a fresh take on denim, providing both comfort and a touch of modern elegance. And if you are still a fan of skinny jeans, don't you worry, it's all about how you style them. So in this example, we are adding riding boot that is a great match to provide contemporary look, and to enhance the style even more, we add striped sweater over shoulders. For the spring, you can pair your skinnies with oversized or flowy tops to balance the silhouette. Think about chunky sweaters, loose blouses, or even a blazer for a chic contrast. When it comes to footwear, I would recommend swapping to chunky boots or sleek loafers or stylish sneakers. These choices add a modern edge to the slim fit of the jeans. Wide cold sweater. Wide cold neck sweaters, known for the voluminous necklines, have been a go-to for comfort in many wardrobes. However, the bulky silhouette is being overshadowed by sleeker and more structured styles. So if you are looking to update your wide cold neck sweater, swap it with a modern clean style with cold neck leaning more towards a turtleneck, or even a crew neck, as in this example. Because as you can tell, by just doing so, the look immediately looks more fresh and modern. But don't fret, there is still a way to wear them in a classy way in case you want to save this item. So to give your white cold neck sweater a contemporary twist, pair it with contrasting textures and silhouettes. So let's check how this look is being transformed easily by just tucking it into a satin midi skirt. Et voila! Elegant mix of textures and styles work magic. Knee-length pleated skirt. Knee-length pleated skirt has been a timeless classic, but its traditional appeal is in need for a modern twist. So this year, pleated skirts are becoming shorter and shorter, or longer and longer. So the length plays a main role when it comes to modern look. So together with my client, we have tried styling it with shirt, with blazer, even riding boots, but we finally came to the conclusion that a midi satin skirt works way better in creating modern and classy look. In case this style flatters your proportions or complements your personal style, opt for mini or mid-calf length of a pleated skirt. While layered printed pieces can be fun and playful, they often create a very busy look that usually overshadows the person wearing it. In contrast, clean silhouettes and clean lines offer a sleek and sophisticated look, while the flared silhouette flatters every body type and provides a great canvas for effortless elegance. So in case you want to further enhance the look, you can add a statement accessory, statement belt with a modern buckle. You can play around with your boots. You can also add layers to this dress, like tailored blazer or a nice cardigan. Making the switch from layered printed dress to an elegant A-line dress is a step towards a more refined and polished wardrobe. Bulky cardigans. While bulky textured sweaters are great for comfort, they can often overpower your figure and make the outfits look more frumpy than chic. The modern take on the sweater has shifted towards sleeker, more tailored knitwear that enhances rather than hides your silhouette. So, instead of reaching for that oversized, chunky, cozy sweater, try a fitted or cropped cardigan or even a cropped textured blazer, which immediately transforms the look. Another great cozy option is to swap the bulky sweater to a polo sweater. They offer a sleeker silhouette with a touch of preppy charm that's perfect for both casual and dressier occasions. Look for polo sweaters in soft, luxurious fabrics and in colors that complement your wardrobe. I think that they are a fantastic way to stay warm and look effortlessly chic without sacrificing the comfort. All black. All black look has been a fashion favorite for its simplicity and sophistication. However, while all black ensembles are sleek and easy to put together, they can sometimes lack dimension and visual interest. The key to updating this look lies in adding layers and textures. So you can combine materials like leather, lace, or even denim for a more dynamic look. A little bit of metallics with belts and gold buttons elevate this look even further. Also, as you can tell from the example shown here, playing with proportions can add interesting twist to the classic all-black look. Unstructured bags. Even though oversized slouchy bags, especially in maxi sizes, were seen quite a lot on the runways for 2024, I do think that the slouchy appearance can make them look less professional. As you can see, just swapping the bag in this look works wonders, because structured bag in burgundy provides much more refined and classy twist to this look. So consider opting for a structured tote, satchel, or crossbody bag. These styles not only hold their shape but also add an element of elegance and classiness to your overall look. On the other hand, unstructured bags might be a great addition to a sporty look, especially when worn as a crossbody. And there you have it, the 7 fashion relics that are living in the past and the chic alternatives to embrace in 2024. Whether you choose to replace these outdated items or give them a modern twist, the most important thing is to wear what makes you happy and comfortable. I would love to hear your thoughts on today's episode. Which of these outdated items were you surprised to see on this list? Are there any that you are struggling to let go of? Drop your comments below and let's chat about it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more style insights and fashion tips. Until the next time, keep shining and stay stylish. Ciao, ciao!